Let me talk to you about digital products that sell well all year long. So if you're trying to really generate some cash flows, this is the show you want to watch. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. First of all, let's define what digital products are so we are clear about the concept. Okay, so digital products are basically intangible goods or intangible assets that exist in a digital format or electronic format. This includes ebooks, music, digital arts, software, online courses, and virtual goods and video games. And digital products are typically delivered to customers via download or email, and they offer businesses a way to provide value without physical inventory. And so this is actually the foundation I want you to really keep in mind. And the cool thing is that nowadays we live in a world that's more digital than ever. So why should you sell digital goods versus physical goods in the first place? Well, you have a series of advantages, and you have a few disadvantages too. So I want to first talk about the advantages, the pros, if you will. You have low overhead costs. You have high profit margins. You have potential to automate everything here. You have flexible products. That's really good. And the fact that e-learning is increasingly popular, so that's adding an extra layer of profitability to the whole selling digital goods routine. What about the cons here? Well, you will be competing with free content, and you are susceptible to piracy. So when we talk about free content with digital goods, consumers will usually have access to free alternatives to what you are selling. And this necessitates careful thinking about your niche, the type of products you sell, and how to write your product descriptions, right? It's all about how you market yourself because you have to really differentiate your what you're selling versus what's available out there for free. And so where should you sell digital products? Well, there are three main channels to sell your digital products: self-created online stores, social media, and digital marketplaces. And when we talk about the self-created online store, you have the opportunity to use platforms such as Shopify or Wix to create a store so that you can integrate a digital product app for seamless selling and management. So this is really good. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. To when we talk about digital products to sell online, so you have online courses. So the first one is online courses. So when we talk about online courses, we're speaking about a very broad market. So online courses are the best way to present in-depth content in a monetized digital format. You can create a presentation, record a video walkthrough, or develop a course featuring the voices of subject matter experts. So this is really good. And once created, your course can be taken by thousands or hundreds of thousands of students. You only need to make updates when your content becomes outdated or loses relevancy. You also have ebooks. So if you are the source of knowledge for an online course, you could also package your expertise as an ebook. And this is kind of cool. And ebooks are a familiar digital format across audiences and can be accessed via an e-reader, computer, or mobile device. You can write an ebook on anything, but before you commit to a topic, research the availability of free content on your subject. You also have a licensed digital format. This is another very popular niche. So when we talk about licensed digital format, from stock photos to a video footage, music and sound effects, there is a global ecosystem of licensable digital assets uploaded by creatives for other creatives to use in their work. So licensing your content for use by individuals and businesses is a way to generate passive income from your creations, and you got to have that. So you want to invest your labor in creating some top quality video transitions or background music, then receive revenue from their use for as long as they remain popular. It's all about making sure that your creations are remaining popular. So you can sell licenses from your own store, similar to how Edit Stock sells licenses for students, or you can sell through online marketplaces such as, like the stock photo sites. So when brainstorming asset ideas, work backward from the needs of your target audience. Start by thinking about what kind of content is in demand and where existing creators are not fulfilling market needs. So be sure to protect your digital products with watermarks and other security measures especially if you're selling photos online. So that's really important. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about digital products that sell well all year long. You also have a premium content library. So this is in another area where you can really make a lot of cash. So basically, if you have success selling an online course or ebook or from licensing content, one way to evolve your offering is to bundle your creations. You can provide full access to your entire catalog of digital products for a monthly or yearly subscription or a one-time fee. It really depends on what you want to have. Now, one advantage of a subscription-based business model is that it generates a motivated, active community. Your subscribers are your best prospects for any new content you create and maybe a great resource to consult when considering your next move. And since your library will only be accessible to paying subscribers, you could also consider hosting exclusive content such as live streams and AMA sessions. And you can sell digital product subscriptions via Shopify by using a subscription billing app, for instance. And you can also think about digital templates and tools. So digital products also come in the form of tools, equipping professionals, if you will, to do tasks more quickly or competently. You can sell digital solutions to common pain points within a role or common online tasks such as video editing. And tools can be a standalone app or an item that combines with other digital software. And other digital tools and template products to sell online include digital marketing strategy templates for entrepreneurs, resume templates for job seekers, mobile apps for businesses, graphic design templates for brochures, flyers, posters, Adobe Photoshop filters and plugins for media editors. You have icons, fonts, or UX kits for web designers. So this is really good in terms of expanding your arena, if you will. You also have product photography. So if you are a photographer, selling your services online can be a lucrative business. So thanks to the rise of e-commerce, professional product photos have never been in higher demand. So the best product photographers can identify the features of an item that shoppers are most interested in and use their photos to emphasize those aspects. And other tips for taking the high quality product photos include investing in a good tripod and learning how to construct the right lighting environment. So this is kind of cool to think about. You can also think about music, art, and entertainment. So those are also part of digital products that sell well all year long. That's what we want. So digital product ideas won't have to be purely functional. If you are a musician, artist, or content creator, chances are you have explored this or other similar ways to monetize your talents online. So crowdfunding platforms such as Patreon allow fans to support creators in return for exclusive content. For artists, online galleries like Sachi Art are a good place to find buyers for your work and to build your following, upload or stream content on social media in return for a share of ad revenue, sponsorship deals, and audience tips. This is kind of cool. And beyond artistic and entertaining content, there's a whole world of merchandise and branded digital products. If people enjoy a particular podcast or album, for example, they might be interested in items carrying design that reference the art. That's really important. And the cool thing is you can use print-on-demand companies to create branded merch and sell it on the platform of your choice with no need to pay for manufacturing until you make a sale. And this is kind of cool. And often this form of digital product selling works best with the niche target markets. You can also try digital services. So when we talk about digital products that sell well all year long, you can try digital services. So services pair well with digital products. A designer can offer a logo creation service alongside downloadable templates. A personal trainer might offer live personal training sessions to their workout plan subscribers. Likewise, you can position services, digital or in real life, as add-ons to your online products. So for example, you might sell consultations along with personalized reports or Excel spreadsheets, Or you could offer a free downloadable products to generate leads for your email marketing list, a tactic that many online businesses employ. So this is kind of cool. So this gives you flexibility, if you will. So what I want to say here is that if there are tasks you commonly complete, if you will, as part of your service business, you can consider separating and prioritizing them to create additional revenue streams. So that's really, and that works fantastically. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about digital products that sell well all year long. Let's talk about printable digital products. So when we talk about printable digital products, I mean, this category of digital products spans a wide range of print at home possibilities, from personalized wall arts. You have planners and greeting cards to specialized models and models for 3D printers. So customers can download and print your designs for personal use or as part of their own craft. For a younger audience, printable coloring pages and worksheets are in demand when it comes to fun and learning. For example, digital download brand caravans sell coloring posters as downloadable files or shipped prints. You also have digital memberships. So basically, digital memberships are golden tickets to an exclusive community centered around your brand or content. So joining your digital club could bestow members with access to premium content, the opportunity to purchase limited edition merchandise, or tickets to events. So other digital members clubs grant access to networking benefits. So this is kind of cool. And so as the trend for token gated project has shown, however, digital communities do not need to be centered around a tangible item or service. So membership to an open-ended collective can be valuable in itself. And digital products such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club that you saw on the screen use blockchain technology to provide proof of membership and grant access to perks without a central raison d'etre, if you will. So when crafting your digital membership experience, focus on creating a sense of exclusivity. The goal is to provide continuous value for members and to make prospective clients feel like they are missing out. So if you are able to do that, you will be you'll be really like in the best shape. What I want to say here is that when we talk about digital products that sell well all year long, the bottom line is it's not about the specific product that you actually pick. It's all about your talent to deliver exactly what your target audience wants in a matter, in a shape, in a tone, in a manner that really fits your specific target audience, especially when we talk about the chronology, the geography, and the demographics. Become an affiliate partner for an existing creator. So popular digital products include entertainment content, music, fonts, design assets, Photoshop ads, Photoshop presets, templates, software and plugins, e-learning courses, and other online services. So it's important to really understand that product brainstorming plays a key role when it comes to finding or creating digital products. So when generating ideas for your digital products, don't be too critical. The key to brainstorming is to avoid overthinking. If you are looking for ideas of a downloadable product to sell online, you need to ask yourself a few questions. Can you teach customers how to use your products? Are there things you can help your customers with related to your overall industry? What are the values you have built your business on, and what are topics related to them? In what ways could you bring your community of customers together? What are you good at? See, the thing is, your talent really plays an important role. So you also have to think about product validation. So you want to validate your idea before committing too much time to it. The last thing you want to do is invest a lot of time or money in a new venture without knowing it has a good chance to be successful. So here are some ways to validate your idea as you figure out how to sell your digital products. So keyword research, Google Trends, Facebook groups, industry forums, product reviews. So you always want to start small and iterate, okay? And then you want to create an online store. So what's going to happen here is that once you validate a digital product idea, you want to get an e-commerce platform to sell on. Make a website to sell your digital products and get up and running in a few hours. pick from a catalog of website templates, populate with your logo, copy and images, and you are ready to get selling. So this is kind of cool. You have a lot of players out there. You have Shopify, you have WooCommerce, you have BigCommerce, you have Wix, you have a lot of players out there. They are there for you to kind of help you, support you here in terms of giving you the tools and resources you need to get ready and be there when it matters. Let's talk about sales and marketing tips for selling digital products. So the bottom line here is that if you want to really generate revenue consistently, you got to create a great digital product. So you need to add value to your customers' lives. Since you are competing with free content on the web, invest in building a product people can't find elsewhere. It's important. You want to promote a free lead magnet. So regardless of how much your product costs, create a light version of it for free. A free product can help you build an email list you can sell to in the future. It also opens the door for upselling and retargeting potential customers with different promotions. Free products can build trust between your business and potential customers. You also want to start an affiliate program for your product. So affiliates are a huge source of traffic and sales for creators selling digital products. Find influencers who are established and trusted in your industry and offer them a commission for each sale they make. You can create a different percentage for different affiliates. So if someone has a large audience, you can give them a higher commission rate to promote more and attract customers. And also collect pre-orders. So a great way to get early sales is by giving a discounted early bird price. So if you are releasing a new digital product, you can offer a 50% discount for the first 100 buyers, then 25% for the next 100 buyers, and then release the product at full price after the 25% discount runs out. You can also offer a money-back guarantee. So if you are hesitant about offering a warranty on your products, it makes sense. Some people could buy and use your product, then ask for their money back. That's for sure. This happens all the time. But it's all a part of running an online business. The rewards of higher conversion rates outweigh the small percentage of people who may abuse the policy. And a money-back guarantee shows potential buyers you are putting the risk on you, not them. And so this is important for you in terms of getting things done the proper way. This is what you want to and see, the thing is, you got to have a loop where you have to consistently try to offer value without actually sacrificing quality. Okay, this is important. So creating the best digital products for your business really is kind of cool, because without the need to hold inventory or the overhead associated with selling physical products, all types of digital products can be profitable online business ideas. And there are countless ways you can create the best digital content to sell and resell and incorporate them into your business. And so with a little ingenuity and upfront investment of time, you can serve up irresistible value that can more than pay for itself over time. So that's kind of important to think about. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I just spoke to you about digital products that sell well all year long. And I gave you the overview, the approach. And so now we're doing the recap. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.